since yesterday include that we can now upload and download a document, which is like a must for any coding session. The roles have been assigned to every particular user, so certain features, depending upon the type of user, are disabled um, in the video conferencing room. And lastly, the video conferencing also allows for attendees to be present in the room who will not be able to interact with anything, just will be able to view. Now, as per request since yesterday from yesterday's query, we tried to implement two security features, which for in order to prevent unethical sharing of password or password leak. First and foremost is the face recognition, which you had asked for. That is, when the user registration takes place, a set of photos will be captured of the person. It's stored in the database. The face recognition model is trained, and before the user meeting joins, the photo will again be captured and will be matched. And if a match is found, the user will be allowed to join in. The second is the more of a manual method wherein before joining the meeting, the user will have to undergo a verification by the admin himself. The photo is captured, the mail is sent to the admin. The admin can then say that the person is actually who he says he is, and if so, the button to join the meeting is available. Next slide. Yeah. So the face recognition software, the flowchart is similar to this. There is a verification page, then there is the user, a window pops up, the photos of the person is captured and saved in the database. Then the model is trained using these photos, and the trained model is then used to check whether this person currently trying to join into the room is actually the person who he says he is. Now, I would like to request Aditya to just show a quick demonstration of this.
Yeah. Thank you, Shabir. Now let me show you how the face recognition happens. So till yesterday, we saw that after the email verification, the user receives an email to verify his account. Now at this stage, when we click the link over here, and uh, and when we enter the email, when we click verify, a window opens and captures my image, right? And this image is stored in a data set. And this set of data is used to train the model. And whenever a user wants to join a meeting, his photo is captured and matched with these photos. And if he's the same person, he's allowed to enter. And if not, then he won't be able to enter the meeting. Yeah.
Moving on to the other method, the yeah. So it's like before verifying, a photo of the user is captured and the photo is emailed to the admin. The admin has a can just ignore the email. So then the button to join the meeting is not seen on the user's side. Whereas if he clicks on to allow the user to join, that he is actually a legitimate user, then the button to join the meeting is shown. Would you like to see this as well?
Okay, ma'am. Now I will show you demo for this admin verification. Uh, just let me share my screen. Uh, my PC is hanged. I don't know what. Is it visible to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now I have add